Took a trip down to TJ Maxx to see what they had in new for fall fashion for the 2023 season. They had this right here. It is like a little dress, but you could really wear this for fall. It kind of has like that cow print going on. It has the open back. You can tie it in the back. $17 for that. And it does have adjustable straps. So that's like a really pretty, and the color is plain to fall. This right here, kind of like a cardigan with the fringe details. So you can just put this on. You can use this as a cover up on vacation. You can use this for layering in the fall, but $20 for that right there. I thought that was real pretty. And then it came in this color too, so you can grab both of those. Bodysuits, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all of them, they have a lot of cute bodysuit pieces. This, I like the details around the top. It kind of has like a low neckline. $17 for that one right there. And it's like in perfect fall colors. Overalls and jumpsuits, perfect for fall. They had these two right here. So they have this Jessica Simpson one. You can see it has like kind of little details in the sleeves there. It has the pockets, the button downs in the front, and only $20 for that one right there. So that is not bad at all. And it comes with a little belting detail on it. And then these overalls right here, another cute one that has the zipper in the front. It has the loop so you can put a belt with it if you did want to. It has like an open back though. So $25 for that one right there. And then this little cardigan too, another nice simple one. Like cardigans are great for the fall, so $17 for that. And it just has like a lot of pretty knitting details to it. It has a tie in the front, so it doesn't button, but you just tie it right there, and it's kind of giving like a crop kind of look to it too. Another pair of overalls right here. So these are, you see this style a lot, but this is like a little different because it has like the elastic cuffs on the waist there, and you can, I mean, on the bottom there, and you can see the waist is kind of cinched in with the elastic too. This little crop sweater right here, so it doesn't come together. This is separate, so you can put it with this little top, like they did for $8. That top is right there, or you can get it alone like this, and this is how it looks. And again, I think this will fit like kind of crop, but you can see the sleeves kind of like billow out at the bottom there. And this is $17 for this right here, and it's like a bright vibrant red. This right here kind of giving that corduroy look, a stitched dress with the buttons in the front and stuff, but it's like a different type fabric than corduroy. But $20 for that one right there. It has cute little pockets and stuff on it. This right here, $30, and you can see like the sleeves have like a cute little ruffle detail, and then like the print kind of changes just a little bit just to give it like a border on there. It has the buttons, it has the belt strap right there, and it's just a nice little jumpsuit for the season. And so if you're looking for something with like a nice bold fall print, you might want to head over to TJ Maxx and grab that right there. They have a lot of cute little jumpsuit options. This one right here has like a little pleating detail to it, and then it has the low neckline in the front. $25 for that, and it's sleeveless too. It has like the zipper closure in the back, so you zip into that, but it has like the cinch waist too. This right here, just the color right here is giving me fall, so it's a Michael Kors dress. It has that bold gold zipper in the front there, and it is $40. It's long sleeves, and it has the little logo label on the back there too. This one, another pretty fall color, but it's a little nice and lightweight. So it has like those sheer sleeves, but the rest of it doesn't. It's lined, so it doesn't have that sheerness to it. So $30 for that, and it kind of has a tiered look. Has kind of like a V-neck line. It has like ruffles around the collar. Just a lot of pretty little details to it right there. This one right here on clearance for $20. So it's a Calvin Klein, and this would be a nice work dress too. So it has like the little cap like sleeves. It has the belt, and it's given that wrap style. It has like the ruffle around the bottom there, and then it has that bold gold zipper in the back of that one there. They had a lot of good workout options. So if you're like me and you're trying on the weight loss journey, a health journey, they have these sports bras. They come in a double pack. They have the padding in them. You can see the first one has like different little stitching details. They have a lot of little 2-pack ones too that you can grab right now at TJ Maxx. They have these pants right here. I think these would be great to go from the gym to out. You can wear these different places, but they have like different textures in it, which I just thought was cool for those. They have zippers on the pocket, $17 for that. Another little 2-pack of sports bras. You can see this one kind of has like the crisscross straps in the back there, $15 for that one. And again, it comes in two. And then they had this one right here, another one. I like these colors. They really do say fall. I just like white too. So the two together I thought was cute. $20 for that one right there. And then these Calvin Klein sweatpants. So they're just like a traditional kind of cut sweatpant, but then they have the Calvin Klein wording down the side, just on that one side there. And they're like $20 for those, I believe. So you can grab those. This right here I thought was an interesting piece. So $30. You can see it has like that deep plunging neckline, but it has this little detail in the front there that just gives it like, a little bit of character. And it has like a nice little print. So if you're looking for some pieces, you might want to have a TJ Maxx. It has like the elastic waist too there that cinches it in the back. And then this helmet leg dress. I know the color might not be for fall, but I thought this was a good buy. So it is on sale right now for $104, and they said down from 160. But if you look for these dresses like at stores and stuff like that, you can go up to like a couple of $100. So I thought that was a good buy. This DKNY dress right here, another one that'd be good for work too. It's like a shirt dress style. $40. It has the little belt. It has the buttons in the front. I'm thinking this will fit like kind of like a midi fit maybe. But it's just like a nice simple one, and it has the four colors. This one right here, just a really pretty color. Not gonna say it's for fall, but it is just like a nice classic style dress, and it's $30. Just something nice and simple. So TJ Maxx had a lot of good work pieces in today, along with other pieces that you can just use for the fall for every day. This one right here, another one with just like nice details. So it's a Calvin Klein dress, $40. It has like a little V neckline, but you can see like in the waist, it has like three different elastic like pull detail things. So when you tie those on the side, you have like three little straps. I thought that was cute. This like a little workout piece, so you can go work out in style. So it's like a bodysuit, catsuit kind of piece. It has the low neckline, but it has like the contrasting on the side. And I'm thinking that'll give you like a little shape there with that one. And then they have this two-piece set right here. Again, the way the lines are, I'm thinking it'll give you like a little curvature. So $30 for the two pieces on this set, and then the colors do kind of play into fall. So the top is like a sports bra, so it'll fit like a sports bra. The bottom is just like leggings. This right here, another. They had a lot of pieces that were giving me retro feel and fall at the same time, but this one right here was one of them. So $40. And again, this is one that has like those lightweight sleeves to it, and then it has like the cinch waist and all that. This one right here, another one giving me retro and fall at the same time. So these are just like really toss and go. You can toss these on right now with some sandals, or you can toss these on in the fall. You can maybe wear these with booties, different things. But this one is a Lucky brand one, again with the lightweight sleeves to go with that, and then that bold floral print, and it just has nice little details that you can pick up once you get close up on it. But $40 for this one right here, and it's just like I said, nice. This right here, so it's like a cardigan kind of. You can just use this for layering. I thought it was cute. $25. It has that animal print, so you just toss this over and you can layer, and you just add like a pop to your look. It has like the slits on the side. The color is really pretty for the fall season. So yeah, I thought that was cute, and they had a few of those in, I think, at my TJ Maxx. So if you're looking for something, you like some animal print, you might want to check that out. This one, another one, gave me retro vibes, but like a classic piece at the same time. So it was a polka dot, like midi type skirt. If you're shorter, maybe a maxi type skirt with the polka dot print, but the pleating was just real nice. And this, you can keep this for a while. $17 for that one right there. So that's like, if you like a staple kind of piece, even though it's a print, that is like a staple type piece. This one right here, another nice one. So it's just a little sweater, but it had a really good feel to it, and the cut was just a little different. $17 for this, and then you can see it has like that kind of that curvature at the bottom there, which I just thought was nice, and the color was nice and neutral, and it can go with a lot of different things. This striped sweater right here, you can wear that for the fall. So $25 for that right there, and it's just like another nice simple one that you can just pull and go. You can pair that with brown pants with different color pants, which you can pair that. This one just I thought was a cute work look, but after looking at it, I think the collar was torn on it. But it has a stretchy fabric, and then it has the piping details and stuff on that one. $20. So if you get a good one. But that was Calvin Klein. And then I was like, you can pair it with these pants right here. There's another pair of Calvin Klein pieces. $25, just a classic pair of pants. This little sweater right here, so it has like that faux two shirt look. So it has the sweater, has a little collar, has like little beading details on it. $25 for that. And then it has like the little opening in the back to open and close it. This like tweed jacket, so it gives you kind of that Chanel style. But this right there, it was a nice neutral color. That'd be nice for the fall. This right here, $40. And you can, I don't know if you're seeing, but it has like kind of a little sparkle shimmer to it. And then it has the gold buttons and stuff. So really a classic look. This right here reminded me of, I don't know if you remember, those shirts used to come really, really small and they would stretch out. But $10 for that one right there. And then some more tops that gave me that retro feel, but it's just like it'll bring a bold. So if you wear like just simple color pant, a jacket, and you pop this underneath, it'll just add like a little pop. $25 for that one right there. This one right here has like a little tie at the waist, so that just gives it another little detail. And this one is Rachel Zoe, $25 for that one right there. And then this one right here reminded me of that designer. I can't think of the name, but it begins with a P. Um, but they have like a lot of prints like this too. So it reminded me of that. $20 for that right there. And you can see they all kind of have like a retro kind of print. So they had a lot to pick from, like a lot of those styles. So I'm assuming that's in for the fall. This right here kind of gave you like a boho type vibe. But I like how they paired it together with the jeans, the jacket. So it's like a relaxed kind of fall look again with the lightweight sleeves. This has cute little tassels and stuff on it though. $20 for that. And you can see they have a lot of cute little picks to pick from with these $20 for this one right here. This one doesn't have the tassels and stuff, but it is still just like a nice, even though it's like a boxy shape, it's kind of still a girly look at the same time. This one right here, another nice little bold print, $20 for that. And then you can see the little jean jacket and the jeans. And I just thought it was just like a nice classic look to just have for the season. So they have the jeans right here and the classic wash, really. $20 for those right there. And then you can grab the jacket and complete like the whole little look they have going on there for $25. This little Michael Kors shirt, just another basic one that you can just toss under your suit jacket or something for the fall. $25 for that. And you can see the back is kind of different with the fabric than the front. And they had that in other colors too. So you can just pick a bunch of those. This jacket I thought was so nice because it kind of gives you like that army jacket look, but not the army jacket look at the same time, if that makes sense. But $30 for that. And then it's just like a nice simple jacket, but it has like nice cuts and lines in it. And then that's how it looks when it is all zipped up and ready to go. And then just like a basic white shirt, you can't go wrong with that. So $17 for that. But you can see this one is kind of long, so you can do a lot of different looks with that one right there. This right here, some more bold prints. Like I said, they had a lot of these in the TJ Maxx today. So if you're looking to change it up with some bold prints, like I said, you don't have to just wear it out. You can wear it with like some solid colors under a jacket, maybe, and it'll just be a nice little pop. But $25 for that one right there. And then they had this print right here, nice fall colors. So yeah, you might want to head over to your TJ Maxx and see what they have in for fall.